Hello my little rock stars, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about what is inside you. So let's begin. One day a wealthy man gave a basket of rotten fruits to a poor man. The poor man left the palace with basket, emptied its contents, cleaned it, put beautiful flowers in it and returned it to the wealthy man. The wealthy man asked the poor man, "Why? I gave you a basket of rotten fruits. You brought it back with beautiful flowers?" The man replied, "Each man gives what's in his heart." So dear children, I hope you all love the story. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.